everyone, and welcome to Newsphere. For this project, we are going to learn how to draw a rocket. The materials needed will be paper and drawing materials. The first thing we're going to draw is the tube of the rocket. You're going to draw a half oval and a line to connect the bottom. Now you're going to draw the nose by drawing a short line at the top, just like this. Now we're going to make the windows by drawing 3 small circles down the middle. 1, 2, and 3. Then we have to draw the exhaust at the bottom of the rocket, and we're going to make 2 rectangles. 1, 2. Now we're going to draw the fins on both sides of the rocket. And finally, we can't forget the smoke. And there you have it. Now we're ready to blast off. Did you know that rocket starts with the letter R? And it makes the r sound. I hope you enjoyed learning with us. Thanks for watching.